Technology is important in the practice because nowadays computer is here to stay. Computer makes us more efficient, more accurate, more timely. It goes into play with what we do. The example I like to use is in the old days when we used to do surgery, place an implant. We're pretty much putting a screw into a piece of wood. The piece of wood needs to be thick enough, tall enough, wide enough. But in the mouth, in the oral cavity, between two teeth, we have to put in this little screw that goes in between a thin piece of bone, and accuracy becomes really important. Investing in technology just makes the surgery smoother, it's faster for the patient, it's more efficient, it's more accurate, and it's more comfortable, less recovery.
The Prime Print is one of our newest additions to West Chester Family Dentistry. It's actually a 3D printer. So the 3D printer in dentistry, you might be wondering where that comes into play. So we're able to actually use our scanner, and then the scanner will talk to that machine and we can print models of people's teeth. So once we have models of your teeth, the options are really endless from there. We can print surgical guides, we can print retainers, splints, and we can do all of this in our office here. It's a great service to offer to patients and really for our staff and our doctors to be able to have that control over what our lab work looks like, because if we prep the crown, we know exactly where those margins are. If we're the ones placing the implants, we want to be able to kind of dictate how that lab work looks for us, and to be able to do some of our lab work here in our office is great.
So the technology that we have here at West Chester Family Dentistry allows me to provide my patients with the best care by taking 3D models of their teeth and putting them on a screen so they can visually see what's going on in their mouth. The iTero, for example, has something called time lapse, so there's no more guessing. You can now compare that from a year ago to this year and see if there's been any changes, and you know for a fact that the changes are there, you're not guessing anymore. So the technology provides the patient with more comfort and also provides us with giving them the best care possible.